So, good evening all of you. Myself Reena Jarwal, and today we will discuss about the topic of DMA controller. So, what is DMA? So, generally the word DMA stands for direct memory access. So, basically it is a direct memory access controller. It is represented by 8257 IC. So, basically the direct memory access is an input output technique that is commonly used for high speed data transfer. For example, a data transfer between primary memory and hard disk. This is the best example for DMA controller. So basically all the whole we can say that the DMA controller is an input output technique that is used for high speed data transfer technique. Example मैं already आपको बता चुकी हूँ. And in this technique microprocessors release the control of buses to a device that is called DMA controller. Means जो microprocessor है जनरली जो बसेस का कंट्रोल होता है वो रिलीज कर देता है टू अ डिवाइस जिसको हम बोलते हैं डीएमए कंट्रोलर. सो जनरली द डीएमए कंट्रोलर ट्रांसफर द डेटा बिटवीन प्राइमरी मेमोरी एंड वेरियस पेरिफेरल्स. सो बेसिकली इट इज द बाईपास ऑफ द माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. नाउ द डीएमए कंट्रोलर वर्क इन टू डिफरेंट मोड्स. That is, first one is master mode and second one is slave mode. So basically these are the DMA controller DMA controller modes. So basically we can say that DMA work in two modes. First one is master mode, second one is slave mode. And generally in DMA controller two signals HOLD, that means hold, and HLDA, hold acknowledgement signals of the 8085 microprocessor are used by the DMA controller. Now we will discuss about the topic of channel and register of DMA controller. So basically the topic channel and registers of 8257. 8257 means DMA controller. So basically in 8257 it has 4 channels which may be used to connect 4 peripherals. Basically each channel has two 16-bit registers, in which first register is known as address register, which is used to hold the 16-bit memory address, and second one is count register, that is used to store 14-bit count and 2-bit that is specified to DMA function, just like read, write and verify. So basically we can say that the 8257 have 4 channels and each channel have two 16-bit registers, and that is generally the two 16-bit registers is represented as address register or count register. So basically address register. So basically the address register is used to hold the 16-bit memory address, and the count register, another one register is count register, that is used to store the 14-bit count and 2-bit to specify the DMA functions, that is read, write or verify. and two different signals, that is DRQ and DAC, are also connected to channel. So basically we can say that DMA has 4 channel, each channel has 2 16-bit registers. Basically first one is the address register, second one is count register, and two signals, that is DRQ and DAC, are also connected to these channels. Now the additional register that is connected to DMA is known as, first one is mode set register, and second one is status register. So basically the mode set register is similar to control register, that is used to store the control word, and generally the address of mode set register and status registers are same. So basically we can say that the address that is refers to mode set register for write operations, and basically we can say that mode set register is refers for write operation and status register is refers for read operation. So these are the additional registers of DMA. Now अगर हम आगे बात करें तो DMA के जो मैंने काउंट रजिस्टर, मोड सेट रजिस्टर और स्टेटस रजिस्टर के बारे में बताया, तो इनको मैं थोड़ा ब्रीफली डिफाइन कर देती हूँ. सो बेसिकली पहले मैं बात करती हूँ काउंट रजिस्टर की. तो काउंट रजिस्टर में जनरली हमारे पास क्या होता है, 16 बिट्स होती हैं. सो D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10, D11, D12, D13, D14 and D15. So basically 0 to 13 bits are used for 14-bit count, and the last 2 bits are used for, if both the bits are 0 and 0, then it verify the data cycle. If D15 is 0 and D14 is 1, then it is write the DMA cycle. If D15 is 1 and D14 is 0, then it is read the DMA cycle. And if both the D14 and D15 bits are 1, then it is illegal. So basically this is the representation of count register. So we can say that the count register is used to store 14-bit count and 2-bit to specify the DMA function. So here you see that the 14 bits are used for 14-bit count and another 2 bits are represented to specify the DMA function. That is, if both the bits are 0, then it verifies the data cycle. If both the bits are 1, then it is illegal. And if D15 is 0 and D14 is 1, then it will write the DMA cycle. And if D14 is 0 and D15 is 1, then it read the DMA cycle. So this is the representation of count register. Now हम बात करते हैं मोड सेट रजिस्टर की, कि मोड सेट रजिस्टर क्या है, उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है. So now mode set register. So basically the mode set register is a 8-bit register, and it is the additional register of DMA, and it is just like the control register. Basically it is used to store the control word. सो मैं यहाँ पर आपको डिफाइन करती हूँ इसको, इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन बताती हूँ. सो बेसिकली 8 बिट्स का रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा है, तो D0 to D7 रिप्रेजेंट होगा. Okay, so generally the D0th bit is represented as or we can say that it enable the DMA channel 0, then D1 bit enable the DMA channel 1, then D2 enable the DMA channel 2, D3 enable the DMA channel 3, D4 enable the rotating priority, and D5 is enable the extend right, and D6 is enabled TC stop, and D7 is enables auto load. So basically this is the representation, this is the format of mode set register, and basically when 1, then it is represented as enable signal, and when it is 0 it is represented as disable signal. So basically D0 to D7 पिन जो भी हमारे पास बिट्स हैं उनका नॉर्मली मैंने बता दिया है. जैसे D0 है, इट इनेबल द DMA चैनल 0, D1 इनेबल द DMA चैनल 1, D2 इनेबल द DMA चैनल 2, D3 इनेबल द DMA चैनल 3, D4 इनेबल द रोटेटिंग प्रायोरिटी, D5 इनेबल एक्सटेंडेड राइट, and D6 enable TC stop, and D7 is enable auto load. Now next one is status register. Status register. So status register is also a 8-bit register. So basically जो इसका फॉर्मेट है वो मैं आपको रिप्रेजेंट करती हूँ. सो बेसिकली 8 बिट का है, तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो होगा वो भी जनरली D0 to D7 के लिए होगा. D2 so basically here D5 and D6 and D7 is represented as 0, means these 3 bits are set to 0, and D0 generally represent the TC status for channel 0, it is for channel 1, D2 is for channel 2, and D3 is for channel 3, and the D4 bit is represent and used to update the flag. So basically when it is 1 it updates the cycle, and when it is 0 it is represent the DMA cycle. So this is the format of status register. So basically all the whole we can say that generally the DMA, direct memory access controller, is an input output technique, and just it is used for high speed data transfer. So basically it transfer the data between the main device to peripheral device, and in this technique the microprocessor release the whole control of buses to a device that is called DMA controller. So basically these are the आज हमने बेसिकली जो हमने स्टडी की है, जिसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया है, वो जनरली उसके चैनल्स थे. सो बेसिकली आपको ये ध्यान रखना है दैट DMA कंट्रोलर हैज 4 चैनल and which may be used to connect 4 peripherals, and each channel has 2 16-bit register. So basically जो रजिस्टर है उसमें से एक रजिस्टर को एड्रेस रजिस्टर बोला जाता है, एंड दूसरे को हम बोलते थे काउंट रजिस्टर. उनके बारे में हम पढ़ चुके हैं, उनका फॉर्मेट देख चुके हैं. इसके अलावा 2 एडिशनल रजिस्टर थे जो कि जनरली हमारे पास मोड सेट रजिस्टर और स्टेटस रजिस्टर को शो कर रहे थे, जिनका जनरल फॉर्मेट मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. इफ किसी को भी इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप मुझसे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. हमारा जो भी ऑनलाइन लेक्चर होगा उसमें आप मुझसे क्लियर कर सकते हैं डाउट्स को लेके. एंड हमारा जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर होगा वो 8257 मीन्स DMA कंट्रोलर के पिन डायग्राम से रिलेट करता हुआ होगा। सो आप इसका ये इंट्रो पार्ट एक बार देख लीजिएगा। इफ किसी को भी इसमें कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो आप मुझसे अपने ऑनलाइन लेक्चर के टाइम पे कंसल्ट कर लीजिएगा। आपका जो भी डाउट हो वो क्लियर कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू।